What's going on YouTube? It's your boy 101KD and we back with another video. As you can see, we got the B58 in the back. And we got some problems going on with that, which it's really crazy. I don't even want to talk about that right now. But yeah, B58 is down right now. Just some gasket problems, like there's nothing big. It's on a what is it, oil cooler filter housing. It's like $50 part, but it leaked out all my coolant. I'll just show y'all boy right now. But yeah, I came outside and I seen coolant all over the floor, so I had someone looked at it and our gasket went bad. So I ordered the part. It could be here on Monday, so we go get that fixed. And yeah, we'll be back up and running. I'm not tripping, not stressing. Things could be worse. But today we're going to go to our meet again, hosting another NBSG meet, part whatever. We've been doing it for so long I don't even know, but we better go have some fun with the guys. My car is down, and as y'all know, Kai, he crashed his car, but he just rent a Porsche truck, so looks like we outside in a Porsche truck tonight. You see what I'm saying? So I'll get back to y'all when he pull up. Yes, sir. Ooh, twin put up the Porsche Macan, by the way. That boy got 295, not the little one. Good tint. Hee hee. You know we pull up trim every time. Yes, sir. Back to back with it. Man, we are outside with the Porsche truck. We just got here. Of course, we setting up everything. But we got some people on the way. Things gonna get real interesting tonight. This is only the beginning, so just look at how it is right now. And I'm gonna catch back up with y'all when it get a little darker, and it's gonna be all packed out, man. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when folks start pulling up. They got outside, man. Folks already starting to pull up. You know we got a Porsche outside, man. We got a 300 SRT. We got another 305.7, 10-speed SX. CL1 gang. Boy, I got them motherfuckers. This the Q60S, by the way. NBSG. Stamp up. You know what I'm saying? Got that bitch out. Ah, we got a gang in that bitch. We got the cheap SRT that just pulled up, man. Let them know, Tino. Man, we just starting this, man. Like, just getting started, it's not even dark yet. now. The hardest. It's gonna be the hardest K3 you've ever seen. Man, we are outside, man. Yes, sir. Good content, man. Oh, go ahead. Yeah. QT. So you gonna ride with me? Man, we are at the next location. We're at a quick trip. We told everybody to come here so we can chill. Yes, sir. So we can vibe out. We got cars outside, people vibing. I love the little Friday. We're trying to figure out the next move. We might go race. We might hit the city. We might see some sliding. I don't really know, but I'll keep y'all tuned in, man. Yes, sir. Man, we are outside, as you can see, man. Outside. Lovely whips out, and Busy just brought the world out again, man. Yeah. I'm saying, you got the whips outside. M340, you got an RT, you got a 10-speed SS. Got a 335 IS with DCT trans. You got a G8 in the back. What you gotta say, Garfo? Huh? What's the word, man? Yeah, you already know on a light day. On a light day. Yeah, pumping, man, on a light day. Brand new. So when you gonna get back? I might keep it on Turo. Yeah. Hey, chill. Chill.
Chill.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? Stop playing. Biggest. We got it goddamn. Yo, it's still food. We got the Porsche out.
I'm styling, I'm wildin', got sticks, I ain't hiding. My bitch exotic, like something from the islands. My piece so sacred.